Hi, good morning everyone. The day I got the fever, I treated it as Omicron. I kept sipping water, tulsi, ginger, licorice, whatever I had at hand, and those things which are anti-inflammatory and soothing to the throat. I took it seriously and I started steam inhalation 4 to 5 times, gargles, and homemade juices. Juices can be taken around 11 o'clock, not later than that. You can have a glass full of any juice of your choice, as vitamin C helps fight any virus. I treated it as Omicron, though I didn't know what it was. Coconut water helps a lot in replenishing your electrolytes. You should include this, and healthy homely cooked food. Here I am preparing for high protein diet. This is urad dal, moong dal, chila with little bit of rice. Very less portion of rice. I'll soak it overnight and it's for tomorrow. Let it ferment. Fermented food is rich in vitamin B12. It's good for fighting any virus. I have mixed turmeric in the batter so that I can get the extra curcumin. In comparison to other viral variants, Omicron is a milder one. It can be treated with home cooked food, soups, juices. This is the soup idea. You can prepare lentil soup. Masoor dal is rich in zinc. You can add asafoetida, turmeric, bay leaves. Bay leaves are good for digestion. And this gets ready in a jiffy. Just 4 to 5 boils. Till the time I make omelette, it will also be ready. Don't forget to add ginger. This will soothe your throat. Whatever virus you are dealing with, whatever virus has got into you, this is omelette, protein diet. Add lot of ginger in omelette also. Green chilies. I had stocked these vegetables. I generally stock vegetables for 4 to 5 days, and luckily I had been to market, and maybe from the market I picked up this Omicron or whatever it is. I don't know guys what it was, but throat was scratchy and body ached like anything. This is the dinner preparation. I have also kept one chicky, peanut jaggery chicky. So this is a mood booster. It's day 3 and I'm already feeling very much better, but my husband is down with fever, a scratchy throat and body ache, so I have to get up. I worked all 3 days, so preparing haldi wala doodh and breakfast for today for kids. Yogurt was not consumed by anyone, so I used this in appy making. At the same time, trying to make golden milk. It's a procedure for making appy. Let it soak the water and yogurt. In the meantime, I'll prepare this turmeric milk. It will require some masalas from the kitchen, some spices like cinnamon, pepper, I was not having raw turmeric, so I used curcumin tablets. I had curcumin tablets at hand. I put 4 tablets for 2 people. It's more effective since my husband too got fever this day. At the same time, I prepare this chutney, amla chutney. You can watch in my uploads. I'll give the link in the description box. As you can see, curcumin gets dissolved. It has started getting dissolved and this milk will become golden in no time. In the meantime, preparations for amle ki chutney. Tried to protect my son with kapoor mala and masks all the time. This is the golden milk.
I will continuously applying this. This is really helping a lot.
I wrapped
And I'll
this
show
cloth
you
over my mask.
what I cooked for lunch. Here first thing I cooked is aloo और करेले का भरता. This was available in my fridge. And थोड़ा सा मैंने पनीर का भुर्जी बनाया. अभी बन ही रहा है. यहाँ पे मैंने भात बनाया सुबह शाम के लिए. कौन खाएगा क्या पता. थोड़े से मूली के पत्ते थे मैंने बनाए. और यहाँ पे मैं दाल बना रही हूँ. फिर मैं घी डालूँगी. छिलके वाली दाल है, ज़्यादा पौष्टिक रहती है. चटनी तो बनी हुई है.
आंवला चटनी इज रेडी.
को मैंने निकाल दिया. चटनी को मैंने कर दिया जार में.
Bottled it
अब मैं अपना बुखार
for later use. Just keep on sipping water, hot water. This will treat any virus, whatever the name of the virus is.
many more things.
I kept doing havans, daily havans in the evening for the safety of the building and the people dwelling here, because I equally am concerned about everyone living in this building. So I tried to do evening havans every day with camphor, guggle and other havan samagri. I had procured havan samagri from Patanjali. It's very effective against sanitization and taking care of all the viruses. It gives a very nice aroma and aura also. So your blocked nose will be gone.
4 and I'm perfectly all right. I don't have any fever. And my cough, scratchy throat, everything is gone. I'm feeling good. Let's see what I can prepare for the family at day 4. Washing the mushrooms. Yes. I have this jawar atta. I prepare jawar ki roti. It's full of these energy, iron, phosphorus, carbohydrate, protein. Normal water.
This is a normal water with coriander seeds.
Wonder.
This is bhel, wood apple. I'll prepare bhel ka sharbat later when sun rises completely. This I have taken out sesame seeds and flax seeds. You can watch my recipe, calcium potassium bars. This is good for your immunity, good for strong bones. This normal lemon honey water. Keep on sipping the lemon water, it will help in soothing the throat. Apart from this, you can see there is amla juice and aloe vera juice. These two also help in boosting immunity if taken regularly. We should encourage our kids to take amla juice at least once a day. You just need to give them one spoon of amla
fine.
juice.
I feel good, and today I am preparing pohe. Let me show you. Here I have shelled some peas. I will put some potatoes also today, tomatoes, and the pohe. I'll prepare pohe for breakfast.
This is the hibiscus tea. We kept checking our glucose levels, our oxygen levels. They were 99, so there was nothing to be worried about. Focused on good food. This is jawar roti and omelette. This is curcumin gold. Anyone can keep this handy. The golden milk. All these help a lot. The ragi ki roti and sunny side up. Followed by next day bajre ki roti, makai ki roti. So you can switch between these. Wonder millets, chicken soup on day 1. These are few things which can be given to kids for boosting their immunity and soothing their sore throat, cough, cold. Glucon helps a lot. This is the Divyapay. It has all the blend of all the herbs. This Swasari Pravai has blend of all the herbs which are used for relieving your cough. Vitamin C. This is dalia. You can have dalia. You can watch my recipe, dalia recipe. This is sole mach or fish. Good for protein. And this is homemade amla candy. Homemade kahwa chai. Again, the proteins. And homemade protein diet, homely cooked food. This I cooked on day 1. Chicken. This can be a substitute for your dinner, early dinner. We have early dinner, so we have only these things for our dinner. In between we had these calcium potassium bars prepared by me. So in short, for these 5 days we didn't look for any help from anyone. So we locked ourselves in our flat and tried our best to prepare whatever was available at source and helped ourselves to go through it. But we didn't know what it was. It was a flu. It was definitely something, but we passed through it. This is the Kada preparation at day 2. I use ginger, tulsi, mulati. I have that licorice. Then I used licorice and I used hibiscus flowers. I have a hibiscus plant. I used hibiscus flowers also. I inhaled this as my steam inhalation water plus gargled with this, and my sore throat was gone in a day. The moment I gargled with this. This is very effective. And I kept doing Anulom Vilom Pranayam along with my Guru, Baba Ramdev. I have this handy kit, coronal kit. You can use it, it's safe. It's effective against any common cold, cough, flu. See, these are just the names of the viruses. We need to be very careful. Some viruses are fatal and some just go and come and go and we don't even know. There are millions and millions of viruses around the earth. So if we keep good things, good herbs at hand, there is no harm. This is Divyadhara, and having this Divyadhara really doesn't make your oxygen level fall, and it helps in smooth breathing. I request everyone to have this kit at home. It helps a lot in improving your immunity. Stay home for 7 days. Don't come in contact with any other. Thank you for watching. Treat yourself well, eat well, sleep well, and think very good and positive. Believe in God. You will get well soon.